You did everything right. You studied, you passed, you graduated, and somewhere between the diploma and the decade that followed, you realized the education was missing something. Not a subject, not a chapter, an entire operating system. Schools taught you how to work for money. Nobody taught you how to make money work for you. Schools taught you obedience. Nobody taught you ownership. Schools taught you to fear failure. And fear is the most expensive lesson you ever learned. You're watching Mint Shift, where we expose the hidden forces controlling your financial life. Here is what the curriculum never included. Lesson 1. Leverage. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems that generate money while they sleep. This isn't passive income mythology. This is the fundamental difference between an employee mindset and an ownership mindset. One sells hours, the other builds assets. School prepared you for one of these. Guess which one? Lesson 2. Psychological safety and risk. Schools taught you that risk is dangerous. The real world rewards calculated risk. Every wealth-building decision carries uncertainty. But your brain, conditioned by years of right or wrong answers, treats financial uncertainty like a threat, not an opportunity. The neurological tool you need isn't courage. It's reframing. Ask not, what if this goes wrong? Ask, what is the cost of never trying? That question rewires the calculation. Lesson 3. The psychology of value creation. Schools graded you on memorization. The market pays you for problem solved. Not credentials, not obedience, not perfect attendance. Value. The shift from employee to wealth builder begins the moment you stop asking, how do I get paid more? And start asking, what problem can I solve that the market will pay for? Two different questions. Two completely different financial lives. Here's your action plan. 3 unlearning steps. Begin today. 1. Audit your beliefs about money. Write down 3 things you were taught about wealth. Then ask, who benefited from me believing this? 2. Identify one skill you have that solves a real problem. Not your job title, your actual skill. Then ask, how could this generate value outside of employment? 3. Take one small, calculated risk this week. Not reckless, calculated. Your brain needs evidence that risk doesn't equal destruction. Evidence rewires faster than theory. Here's the shift. You weren't failed by your intelligence. You were failed by a curriculum designed for a different century. One built to create workers, not wealth builders. But the curriculum can be rewritten, not in a classroom, in the choices you make from today forward. Upgrading your financial DNA doesn't start with a bigger salary. It starts with a different question, and you just asked it. Next week, we close this series with something that will reframe everything. The psychology behind why you spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress people who aren't watching. Impulse spending isn't a habit. It's a neurological hijack. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. If this upgraded the way you think, you're not here to subscribe to a channel. You're here to upgrade your financial DNA. New videos dropping every week, more than you expect. Don't miss what's coming next.